Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, understand the reality. Valorant does not run natively on PS5, so you need the game on a PC. If you want to use your PS5 as a monitor, route keyboard and mouse input back to the PC with a USB switch, KVM, or direct USB hub connected to the PC. Alternatively, for playing PS5 games with keyboard and mouse, adapters such as XIM Apex or Titan 2 emulate DualSense controller signals. They translate K plus M into controller inputs and operate at typical 1:1 mapping when configured correctly. To play Valorant on PC while using the PS5 screen, set up a USB KVM or a simple USB switch that shares your keyboard and mouse between the PS5 and the PC. Plug your keyboard and mouse into the KVM and the KVM into both systems. Press the KVM button to switch input to the PC. For consistent aim, set mouse DPI between 800 and 1600 and polling rate to 1000 Hz on the PC side. Keep your PC running Valorant at 60 plus FPS and use HDMI input from the PC to the PS5 display or capture pass-through so video stays crisp while input is handled by the PC. If you choose a keyboard and mouse adapter for PS5, invest time in mapping and sensitivity calibration. Map mouse X and Y to emulate left stick and right stick where required, then use the adapter's aim tuning to achieve near 1:1 tracking, lower smoothing, minimal acceleration, and linear response. For sensitivity conversion tips, start with your PC Valorant sense and test small adjustments. Many adapters recommend a conversion factor for stick degrees, so tune by feel. Disable any in-game aim assist or controller assist features when emulating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.